Hey everybody, welcome back. So today I was testing these Ninja Foodi NeverStick pans, seeing what would happen if I cook a little bit of cheese onto them. And I actually ended up coming up with a simple and tasty recipe I wanted to share with you. It's not very healthy, but I guess it is what it is. So you ready? Let's get into this. This recipe is super simple. All we need is some sharp cheddar cheese, some sliced baby bella mushrooms, a little bit of pepperoni, some green onions, and a little bit of minced garlic. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. This is gonna be fast and easy. All we gotta do is turn on our burner. You wanna have this on a medium-high setting, and we'll go ahead and let our pan preheat. Once you have your pan preheated, pour in your sharp cheddar cheese. Shake this pan around a little bit to kind of even it all out, and then we'll kind of dot in the garlic here. Doesn't have to be perfect, just get a smattering of it in strategic locations around the surface here. Next, put in your mushrooms. These do take a little bit to cook, so you want those in there pretty early. And then you'll top that off with the pepperoni. I like to keep everything pretty equidistant because I'm anal about that, but you can do it however you want. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. As far as the green onions go, those are a garnish, so we're not going to put those in until we're completely finished. Next, all we have to do is go ahead and let this cook for a little while.
A few moments later.
After it's been cooking for a while, you'll know it's ready to take it off the heat when you can see just the edges here starting to get dark. When you see that, go ahead and turn off the heat. We're gonna let this cool here for a few minutes and get all the way back down to room temperature. That way it'll give this a good chance to really harden up. As soon as that gets cooled down, we can go ahead and top it with our green onions, and we can go ahead and remove this from the pan. To get this out, just go ahead and just start working from the edges and just kind of work around like this. Make sure all the edges are loose first, and then we'll just kind of slide this off just like that. Now all we gotta do is slice this up and serve it. If you'd like to learn a little bit more about Joe's Phenomenal, you can watch a couple more of our videos, or you can check us out online at joesphenomenal.com. One thing to note, if you're gonna make this recipe, make sure you have really good non-stick pans, or you use a little bit of non-stick cooking spray because the cheese is gonna stick otherwise. Like I said before, this isn't the healthiest snack, but all things considered, it's not really all that bad. And it's keto friendly, so there's that. Basically, all the thing really is a crustless pizza with no sauce. If you'd like some more information about the Ninja Foodi NeverStick pans that we used in this video, we have an Amazon affiliate link down in the description of the video. If you purchase anything through that link, we do make a small commission, but it doesn't affect the price that you pay. 1 penny. I thank you so much for taking a little bit of time out of your busy day to watch this video. It really means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you back again here really soon. So until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.